Hello, in this session, we will understand what is RabbitMQ. First, we need to understand what is a message queue. A message queuing allows the application to communicate by sending messages to each other. The message queue provides temporary message storage when the destination program is busy or not connected. A message queue is made up of producer, a broker, the message queue software, and a consumer. A message queue provides a synchronized communication between applications. So here the producer sends a message to consumer. So we have the message broker between this consumer and the producer, and consumer consumes this message. Now I will explain what is RabbitMQ. RabbitMQ is a message queue software, message broker queue manage. They act as an intermediary platform where different applications can send and receive messages. RabbitMQ originally implemented the Advanced Message Queuing Protocol (AMQP), but now RabbitMQ also supports several other API protocols such as STOMP, MQTT, and HTTP. Now I will explain how we can RabbitMQ integrate in microservice. RabbitMQ is one of the simplest freely available options for implementing message queue in your microservice architecture. So here we have the first microservice is owner service, and we have another second microservice. This another microservice is stock service is microservice number 2, email service microservice number 3. Here the order send a message, and here we have routing K. So the stock service consumes the message from order service, but from the microservice 1, and microservice 3 receive a message broker from microservice 1. So thanks for watching, and till the next time.